Good evening, dear students. Welcome back to the session of notice writing with your English teacher, Mrs. Reena Baret. Here we are with another example on notice writing. You can see I have written one more example on the board. One more question is there. You are the sports captain of your school. Children, what have I told you? I have told you to underline or mark out all the details in the question which we are going to use in the notice. You are what? Sports captain. Okay. Your school is organizing a sports meet. Sports meet means sports day, annual sports day. So we have to prepare the notice for the sports meet in the school premises. Venue is what? School premises. As the principal, your designation, you are the principal. Okay. Draft a notice. Draft means prepare a notice to be put up on the notice board, school notice board, inviting the students to participate. Very easy. All the details are given there. We have marked. If you have not understood, read once more. Read the question again and again. Then start writing. Okay. I have prepared this 3-sided box. Do not close the box from the bottom. Clear? Now let us begin. First line, name of the school. What is the name of the school given here? No. Okay, so you can write the name of your own school. So what we will write here? Trinity, capital block letters. Trinity Academy, Pratapgarh. Okay, use only capital block letters in the center. Second line is for notice in the center part. Third line, the date. I have already mentioned today's date here. In the fourth line, we have to write the heading of the activity or the competition. What is that? Sports meet. Sports meet, annual sports day. It can be of 2 days, 3 days. So we will write here annual, or simply you can write sports meet. This is heading. Now we have to write the body. Children, I have told you in the first example that we have to write the body in 2 paragraphs only and all the details in the center. So follow that pattern. I have told you to learn half of the sentence. What is that permanent sentence? This is to inform all the students that. Okay. So start. This is to inform all the students that. Now what we have to inform? Again, full language will be taken from the book. Half a line you will learn, rest of the line you will take from the question. Your notice will be finished. That your school, so our school is organizing or going to organize. That our school is going to organize, is going to organize what? A sports meet. Capital letter, huh? Sports meet, heading of the activity. Sports, going to organize a sports meet. Finished? Clear? Details we will put up here. What are the details? Date, colon, day, colon, time, colon, venue, colon. All these details to be in a straight line with the beginning letters capital. These are the headings. What date we can write? Today is 17th. We may take it in July, 2nd July onwards. And sports meet will be of 3 days, 2 days. Let us take it of 3 days. So 2nd July to 2nd, 3rd, 4th. 4th July. Day, again 3 days. Saturday to Saturday, Sunday, Monday to Monday. Time, what will be the timing, duration of each day? Timing will be 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. let us say. Okay, the sports day will be for 3 full days, 10 a.m. morning to 4 p.m. Then venue will be school playground. School playground. Okay, so these details are over. Nothing is more required to be mentioned. No entry fees, nothing. It is a school program, school activity. Now second paragraph, again one line for the inviting the students to participate. What is that? Interested students, again your line learnt by heart. Interested students, okay, may give their names and what is required to be submitted, name of the activity, because so many activities will be there, so many games activities will be there within these 3 days, not only a single activity. So you have to give the name of your sports event also. Interested students may give their names, or change the language, students who are interested. You can also write like this. Students who are interested may give their names along with the sports activity or along with the name of the sports event. Name of the sports event, where to the undersigned who has signed below this body, or who has issued the notice to the undersigned on or before. Okay, we will need some days for the preparation. So I have told you we have to keep a gap of at least 10 days, mid date, and between these 10 days we have to keep some mid date. We can invite the names till June 25 again, before 25th June 2020. Finished? So this line is also common. Look here, this much portion you can learn and repeat the same in every notice. Our school is going to organize is also same. If your school is organizing something, you have to learn this also, and only the name of the event is going to change. That's all. Now in the second paragraph, interested students may give their names. This line is common. Okay, give their names, and this is additional here along with the name of the sports event. Okay, after that, to the undersigned on or before. This line is also common. Look here, interested students may give their names to the undersigned on or before. This line you may learn by heart and write in all the notices as it is. Okay, if you cannot frame your own good sentences, so no need to take the tension. Clear? And only the date to be mentioned here, which will be mid date of these 2 dates. So finished? Then now you have to write your name, designation. What is the name given here? No, you are the principal, remember. So you can write any name, or your real name you can write. Okay, I am writing my name, you can write your own name, but your designation will be principal, it is written here. So in the bracket you have to write principal, P capital. Okay, after that what? Yes, at the end close the box with the scale and pencil. Okay, yes, finished. So here your second example is over. After this I will rub the board and going to give you one more example of a simple notice. Till then keep practicing. Let me rub the board and give you another one. Thank you.